Hey loves, welcome to my channel. I'm going to be doing a simple soft glam look, so let's get into the video. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to turn on post notifications on updates for when I post. If you're returning, thank you for coming back. Make sure you guys comment and like this video and share it to your friends. Share it, get me out there. 1K subscribers, 4K views. It's like, no, but I really appreciate if y'all share this. And if you guys like and comment on this video. So let's get into it. So first I'm starting out with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. The infamous. Gonna use this baby. Pop that on my hand. Make sure y'all get your necklaces. So now I'm gonna go on foundation. I really don't use my Fenty foundation, but this is my summer color. I don't think I'm dark enough yet. I mean, we can try. I'm the color 450. That is my Fenty shade. Fenty Pro Filter. I don't know if I'm gonna use this or my Maybelline one. I think I'm just gonna go in with Deep Golden. And I'm using the Maybelline Matte and Poreless, Matte Plus Poreless foundation in the color Deep Golden. I'm gonna use this BH Cosmetics 123 brush. That's what it looks like. I like to use this to apply my foundations. I don't know what it's for, but I like to apply my foundations with it. Usually I would go in with a powder after I put my primer, but I'm not going anywhere, so I really don't need the powder. I only use it for, like, just in case I get oily. I ain't going nowhere. It's 12 o'clock, 12 a.m. Where am I going? Okay, so I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Beautiful Bronze. So I'm going to apply this concealer with the e.l.f. foundation brush. I'm going to use this Real Techniques Expert Face Brush, and I'm just going to like blend out the outside edges of the concealer. So now I'm going to do my contour, and I'm going to be using the Black Opal Skin Perfecting Stick Foundation. This is the color brown. But I'm just going to let my concealer dry down for a little bit, and then I'm going to go ahead and blend. Okay, so to blend my concealer out, I'm going to be using the BH Cosmetics brush in 128. I love to use this brush to blend out my concealer. Eraser Concealer by Maybelline in the color Tan, and I'm going to use this to highlight just a little bit more. I'm not going to put too much. So now I'm going to use the P. Louise base in the number Rumor 6. I'm gonna add that to my eye. I need to get like a lighter one of these. I want to get one close to my skin tone, and I love it, but just like when I do like more dramatic looks, I wanna, you know, lighter. So as you can see, I forgot to mention what powder I used, but I used the Laura Mercier translucent powder in the color medium deep, and I already did my eyebrows. Let me know if y'all want a detailed eyebrow tutorial. I will do that. Comment that down below. Before I go on my eyeshadow, I'm just going to contour this area again because, you know, when I did my eyebrows, it kind of went away. So I'm just going to contour that very lightly with the CoverGirl bronzer. Okay, so I wanted to do a simple, soft glam. So I think I want to do just like a brown eye. I've never done that before, so. Okay, to start off, I'm going to be using the Juvia's Palace, the Warrior. I'm going to be using the color Mino, this dark here. I've never used this before. I'm just gonna, before I finish this, I'm going to add some of the e.l.f. HD powder under my eye so that when I put on my eyeshadow, you know, it doesn't. The Zula palette by Juvia's, and I'm using this color right here. I don't think it has a name. And I'm gonna put this right on top of that. I'm going to use the color Kano in that, the Warrior, yeah, palette. I'm going to use the color Taza in the Saharan 2 by Juvia's. I'm going to use a little bit of that. Brownish, orangish, you know the vibes. I think it'll look nice with my hair. I'm going to wipe this powder off. I'm using that compact. I'm going in with the Kano again. I'm sorry, Mino. And I'm mixing that with this color. And I'm gonna add it to my under eye. The lashes I will be using is from Label Me Diva. So pretty. Okay, y'all, so I definitely have these on the wrong way, but they on. Now I'm gonna go in with Maybelline Colossal Big Shot Volume Express Mascara and add that. Again. So I'm going to be using the No Budge Retractable Liner in Coffee from e.l.f. and I'm going to add, that under my eye. Y'all, there are two things that I struggle with makeup. How to put lashes on and liner. Y'all, so I think I'm actually going to use this color again, but make it blush. And I'm just going to use this as a blush. I'm actually going to mix it with the NYX Sweet Cheeks Glow in the color Bang Bang. So I'm going to mix these two together. I'm just going to set my makeup with the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. Love this stuff. Okay, so for highlight, I'm going to be using my Sadly Broken. Y'all, look at my Fenty. Like, why would I? This fell on the steps. But y'all, I don't know what color that is though. Sunburst. I believe this is Sunburst. It's either Sunburst. I think it's Sunburst. This gold one right here. Y'all, best highlight ever. My e.l.f. highlighting brush. Just gonna go very lightly. I'm gonna use this NYX Toast lip liner. So now I'm gonna use the color Coffee. I'm gonna wipe this off. So I'm gonna use this color, this the NYX retractable liner in Coffee to line my lips. Okay, this is what the lips are looking like. So now I'm going to take this lip gloss. This is the Nana Coco lip gloss. I got this from the thrift store. This is the color Sweet Love. And I'm just going to add a little bit of this to the center. So yeah, for the rest of my lip, I'm just gonna go in with a clear lip gloss. This is my favorite lip gloss from the hair store. This is the Broadway Mint Oil. I love this lip gloss. And I'm gonna use a brush to apply this. Y'all, I never used to use brushes to apply my lip gloss. I just applied it, but it really helps. This is the lip combo that I'm gonna stick with. This is cute. Okay, so y'all, I'm gonna use the e.l.f. makeup mist and set.